Welcome to digital learning. Dear students, we are studying the subject organizational behavior, and today we are in Unit 2, Session 17. The topic today is Principles of Perception. In the last session, we have studied application of perception in the organization, and the objective of today's session is to understand the principles of perception. Students will be able to understand the principles of perception after listening to this class. Content of today's session is principles of perception. Perceptual mechanism involves three elements or principles. The first element or principle is selection of stimuli, second one is organization of stimuli, third one is interpretation of stimuli. Let us discuss them one by one. The first one is selection of stimuli. All the stimuli received are not accepted. Some are noticed, others are screened out. See, whatever we see, we are not noticing, isn't it? Some we are noticing, some we are screening it out. Selection of the stimuli or selective attention means the process of filtering information received by our senses. Whatever our senses, our eyes, our skin or other sensory organs, whatever it receives, it is all not retained. We retain some, we discard some. That is selective attention. Both external and internal factors influence selective attention. Organization of stimuli, second principle or second element of perception. Selected stimuli is organized in some form so as to assign some meaning to them. So we have to assign meaning to whatever we have selected. So organization is organizing the bit of information into a meaningful whole. Bit of informations are organized into a meaningful whole. It is organized into a meaningful whole. There are three ways of organizing the selected data or inputs. They are grouping, closure, and simplification. What are those three ways? And let us discuss them briefly. First one is grouping. Grouping is based on similarity or proximity. Whatever is similar is grouped together. Whatever is near to each other is grouped together. It is the tendency to group stimuli appearing similar in certain ways. Whatever is appearing similar is grouped in the same group. Closure. When people face with the incomplete information, they tend to fill the gap themselves to make it more meaningful. Signboards, for example, you may see the broken lines, but we read it. The name of nameplate written in the signboards, isn't it? Simplification. People try to simplify the overloaded information to make it more meaningful and understandable. So the information which is overloaded is simplified to give it more meaningful and understandable meaning also. This is done by subtracting less salient information and concentrate on important one. Some of the information which is not important, which is not salient, which is not very important are discarded or subtracted, and we concentrate only on the important one. These are the three ways of organizing the selected data. Third element is interpretation of the stimuli. Organized perceptual inputs will have to be interpreted by the perceiver. He or she can sense and extract some meaning of what is going on in the situation. Selectively perceived and organized information is interpreted in terms of their assumption of the people, things, and situation. Interpretation of the stimuli is affected by the characteristics of the stimuli, situation of the perception, and the characteristics of the perceiver. It is affected by these factors. Interpretation is affected by these factors. Organizational settings also affect the interpretation. So to summarize, perceptual principles are fundamental to the perception and to perceive things or objects by the perceiver. You can refer these books for further studies. There are some questions. You can answer these questions. First question is, not all the stimuli received by the human organism are dashed by it. Accepted, rejected, neither accepted nor rejected, none of the above. Second question, organizing the bit of information into meaningful whole is known as selection of stimuli, interpretation of stimuli, simplification, organization of stimuli. Third question is selectively perceived and organized information is interpreted in terms of their perception of people, things, situation, all of the above. Fourth question is grouping is based on dash of various stimuli received, integrity, similarity or proximity, difference, none of the above. Fifth one is when people face with incomplete information, they tend to fill the gap themselves to make it beautiful, similar, more meaningful, meaningless. So the question answer for the questions are given here. For the first question A, second question D, third question D, fourth question B, and the fifth question C. Thank you for listening to the class.